Hello iPhone users, in this video I am going to show you how to add any contact to your emergency list. Right now for this you have to tap on your phone option, you tap on it and you go to any contacts information, right? So you can go through contacts list also, and where the recent lists are you have to tap on the information option. So for this contact I have tapped and I have slided down, and here is option of add emergency contact. As you tap on it you will have to add your some of the information, that is your call, right? And now you can see in the last option here it is mentioned emergency access, show when logged, right? When your phone is logged, do you allow your phone to share the medical details also? Now I'm showing one more contact which is being added to the list, right? And you will also have to mention the relationship with that person. This is my friend's contact, so I have mentioned friend. Now you will go to the settings option, and on search you have to type emergency contact, right? When you tap on that emergency SOS you will get this on your screen. I will tell you what it is in the next video. Till then, make sure you add someone in the search emergency list. Ta-da!